Okay, so today we start our adventure to this really cool temple, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. Big getting food. What'd you get?
I got some of this. I don't know what they are.
Oh, those are good. Those are leeches. Those are really good. Off we go. I love how they say ka ka ka. So me chawa. This is good.
Got some light cheese. Why you going to Dairy Queen?
Yeah, don't go there.
Energy! Let's give you some.
Oh wait, how does it look inside? How does it look inside?
I don't even know how to open this stuff.
How do you eat it?
I don't know, bro. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, thank you. These are so yum. All right, y'all. So I got to do the ritual. Here we go. We're about to go in. I think we go this way. This way. See, this is why. So in the Bible, they talk about not eating pigs. This is why you're not supposed to eat pigs. See? Don't eat pigs.